I'm gonna take a video. This may take a while. Hurry up, buddy. Hurry up. Hurry. Are you tired? He's breathing heavy. Are you tired, Mickey Turtle? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Want some milk? Oh, come on. My camera wants to fall over. Okay. Alright, here we go. Dude, you've been in the pond for a while. You got a leech on. Oh, there's a leech on his back. Get off of him. Look, that's what a leech looks like. I'm filming it. Look, he's stuck on the ground now. He doesn't want the turtle back. That's a leech. Ooh, look at his belly. Ooh. Okay. Hey, buddy. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just got caught in the middle of traffic.
He got caught in traffic after church. Okay, let's get to the other side of the road. Here, Terry, film him. His. There you go. There you go. Should I put him in the creek?
Yep.
It's pretty rough.
Put him over there. Put him anywhere. You don't get
He'll go where he wants to go. The water is pretty high. There you go, buddy. Watch out for the cows.
Still on.
I know. I'm going to go. Which way is it filming? That way? All right. Where's the leech? You got to see this. Where did it go? That's gross. Right here. Look at its belly. Turn it over. Look, it's sucking onto the... Don't let him get on you. Look, look, look. It's got like little tentacles. Ooh.
He'd be latched onto the road like he's getting something out of it. Where he thinks he's going to.
He said, "Where's my turtle?" Watch, they were probably married. This was a, what do you call that? A mixed marriage. Sorry, buddy. I don't like leeches. Good luck finding something to leech onto. Ciao.